Welcome to our installation guide for the Mueller roll-up door. Mueller roll-up doors are an excellent choice for almost any building. The doors literally roll up above the header of the door frame. This keeps the area inside the building clean and uncluttered and gives you more usable space inside. Mueller roll-up doors are unique in several ways. First, they're available in a palette of colors. Also, most components are clearly marked, so that you can easily and quickly tell which side of the door the part is for, and which end of the part should be installed against the wall. In addition, Mueller roll-up doors have a tension brake on one end that is easily adjusted with an open-end wrench or a ratchet. This makes it easy for you to adjust your Mueller door so it operates exactly as you wish. For safety, we also provide special hole plugs for the door guides.